Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to create silver crystals. I'm using 3 Australian kangaroo silver bullion to dissolve in nitric acid and create silver nitrate. To begin, I will provide a list of items you need. The size of the cell I'm using is large enough to grow 500 to 1000 grams of silver crystal. I dissolve the coins in 60 ml of 100 ml of nitric acid and boil the solution for 40 minutes. When pure silver dissolves in the acid, the solution should be colorless. At this stage, there are two important things you need to keep in your mind. I have 3 pirate bars ready, each weighing 250 grams with 99% purity. 2 pirate bars go into the basket, and the third one is connected to the cathode. The basket will be placed on the top of the large beaker. It takes 4 days to complete the process. The solution changes the color from the colorless to green, and that's because of the presence of the 1% or more of copper. The crystal need to be washed about 10 times with distilled water to make sure there is no nitrite remains. I'll pour some of the solution into the small beaker and add few drops of hydrochloric acid. If the color change to cloudy, that indicates silver nitrate, and we need to wash a few times more. And if the color didn't change, it means our crystal is ready to go to the next step. It feels amazing to touch this crystal and hold them between my fingers. The crystals are so sparkling that I cannot capture them on the camera and are almost dry and ready to go. It's time to melt down this shining crystal into a pure silver bar. In total, I got 812 grams of 99.9% pure silver. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next episode, goodbye.